The Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today, we got a banger. We got ourselves some bangers. Hold on, let me just do something right quick. Welcome everyone. Welcome back. Hold on. I got to do something real quick. We're gonna share this. Welcome, Tech World. What up? September is a bearish month, Ski. Could be. I'm not in it for the weeks or the months. I'm in it for the decades. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. All right, let me pin this. All right, cool. Rip all new lows, boys. Oh boy. You remember what happened last time you were calling for new lows? I would be shocked if we go below 23,000. All right, let's get some music up in here. Ski, Quant. How low Quant will go before it pumps? Quant looks like a breakout is about to happen. I just went over that on my Patreon. If you're part of the Patreon, I went real deep on today's lesson. Solana. But Quant looks like a breakout is about to happen. I don't know which way it's going to go. 77 to the low side and 177 to the upside. Where is my... All right. Ski! Young Skeezy. Devin the Dude. AI season or Metaverse season? It's old season. XTC will kill Ethereum. XTC is the real Ethereum killer. Could be. I like me some XTC. Just uploaded a video on XTC. They was mad in the comments too. What up, y'all? Make sure you guys are spamming that like button. How's the music? Is it too loud? When you see a mini alt season, Bitcoin breakout is when we will see that. Every time before it has been Bitcoin for 85% of the move. Like, let's say this is the run right here. For 85% of the run, Bitcoin has the show. And then towards the end of the run is when the alts will start going crazy. That's how it goes. XLM and Adam. Devin, why does Quant have a coin? Why does Quant have a coin? To raise money. Did we just start? We just started. Can you give me a crypto horoscope? We got a blue moon. I went over this in my Patreon video. I'll give you guys a sneak peek on what I just posted on the Patreon video. Sneak peek. All these are blue moons. These are all these white lines are the blue moons over the course of Bitcoin's history. When is the blue moon? The blue moon is... When is the blue moon? August 31st, 2023 is the blue moon. I mean, it's not a blockchain. Yeah, most of the stuff isn't, though. I'm joining your Patreon. Let's go, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
I got a full course over there, including things such as, here's some more sneak peeks for you guys, including things such as Wyckoff distribution, Wyckoff accumulation, trading with the moon, all that and more, plus just doing weekly TA. What I really want to start doing is like getting a like having like a mini course class and then doing TA on the big three, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, as well as doing 3 to 5 of your guys' coins, going deep on there. That's pretty much, I think, the flavor of what the Patreon's gonna look like. Telos, bro. All right, I got you. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button. We got it on 19 likes. We need to get like 19,000 likes. We need 19,000 wow of them things. Happy Sunday, everybody. Let's have a great week. It's the first day of the week. So let's start the week strong. Not Monday. No. Monday is not the first day of the week. It is, in fact, Sunday. Look at any calendar. Any calendar. What do you see? Sunday. Sunday is the first day of every calendar. Sunday is the first day of the week. So let's have a great week, everybody. ACS thoughts, bro. Tap that scream, crypto family. Bitrock, Caspa, Kinos. The later ones will lead the run. Sunday is the first day of the week. That's right. All right, let's get into it. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Like I said, Blue Moon coming up on August 31st. We're right here. Pretty much what I anticipate is going to happen is, can you do Adam? I got you. This is going to mark in that it's going to be pretty much a nothing burger, but it will mark this is what I'm anticipating. Mark the start of this. We still have yet to get our retracement. Just bought 10,000 algo. Yo, my dude.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
You get some cream for that, brother. 290 likes. First bullish September. I don't think it's going to be bullish necessarily. I think it's going to be sideways-ish for about 30 more days. 30 more days. Could be, though. He says cap. Yeah, so like on the prior iteration back here, we spent 200 days at the 236 in here, and as of right now, we've spent 170 days at the 236. So that's we'll probably spend about 30 more days around this area. It is the time to accumulate. We are running out of time, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Very soon will be the very last $20,000 Bitcoin. And we will look back in time and like, Jesus, do you remember when we were scared because it went from 30,000 to 25,000. How would you invest 50K into crypto? How I would do it is dollar cost average. I would probably take 10% of that, 20% of that into top 5. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and figure out which 10 coins, 5 to 10 coins that you like the most, that you think are going to be around for a decade plus, that have good development, good leadership, that are here for the haul and not just hype, and then just dollar cost average, maybe 10% of that each and every week. That would be the best strategy for that. Not financial advice. Yes, sir. Every payday, buying more and more. Okay, Devin, your thoughts on how high XRP can go. In your honest opinion, $14 is my realistic, parabolic, tippity-dippity top price target for XRP. SGB price prediction. ISO 22 compliant. I'm big into Gala too. Songberg TA prediction. I got you guys. All right, let's get some of these coins. So we got Quant from Tech World. He started us off. Quant's a fan favorite. Is the music too loud, everybody? I have no idea how loud it is to you guys. Solana from Benjamin. XLM from John. Crypto horoscope for Maggie. Telos. ACS. Bitrock. Atom. SGB. Can't hear any music for Johnny. Casper, please. Is that true for everybody else on TikTok? PRQ for Friday. Pepe. Brookski. When this thing breaks, Soul will run quick to 100. Easy 5x in a matter of months. No music. Okay. All right. Well, let's fix that. Audio mixer. That's weird. Spotify. Save. What about now? We got music? Hear music on YouTube side. I hear it, but it's very low from Jill. Alright, let's turn it up a little bit. We have music. How loud is the music? Let's turn it up just a smidgen for people on YouTube. Actually, we can do it like this. We'll turn it up a little bit more. There we go. Loud enough. Sounds perfect. Great news. You love to hear it. Better. All right, cool. All right, let's get into it, guys. Beautiful music. VRA. All right, let's get into it. All right, we're going to start it off with QNT. The legendary. Yeah, QNT, something is going to happen very soon for QNT. Up or down, I'm biased towards up, but I'm not sure. We'd be looking at upside targets of about $180, downside targets of about $77. But a big move looks poised for QNT. For me personally, anything at, about, or around $100 is prime time accumulation time. Parabolic price for QNT is $1,400 hairs. How low can H bar go? Let's take a look. All right, next is Soul. All right, Soul is just kind of in this range here. So downside would just be testing. It's literally in the middle of the range. So the medium term would be $15 and $27. It's kind of upside downside targets. September is usually bad for crypto. Could be. Retracement, $130. Parabolic level is $888 for Solana. Could be. Bad for crypto, good for us. More time to accumulate. It's always good. It's like, it's good because you celebrate the success, because you've had huge upside moves, or it's good because you get to accumulate more. Good days and better days. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button. XLM. Good days and better days. No such things as bad days. It is, in fact, impossible to have a bad day if you woke up on this side of the dirt. Solana will no less than 10% of ETH. Solana will no less than 10% of ETH. Well, my price target for ETH is 15K, so 7K to 15K. So if it went to 7K, $700. There you go. All right, Seller XLM doing the same thing as XRP. This is a bright breakout, sign of strength, followed by a TPU back test on the prior trading range. This is very healthy. We would like to see this hold, but this is a very healthy movement. Upside, you're looking at the 236 of 26 cents. Downside, it could get as low as 11 cents. You don't really want it to get any lower than that. If it does, it'd be more accumulation, but I don't anticipate that to be happening. It looks very similar to this move right here, actually. Breakout, back test, followed by bull run. Retracement for XLM is 48 cents. Parabolic level, $3.11. Fuck. Gala. All right, we got Telos, ACS, BitRock. What narrative will fuel this next bull run, in your opinion? Institutions. All of the Bitcoin ETFs getting approved. People's retirement. It's going to be led by institutions. All right, so this isn't amazing that this thing broke down. It found support here at the pre-inception price. Energy Web token. What's the ticker on that? Did you do XDC yet? 64 cents for XDC. Retracement. My bag is Bitcoin, Quant, Solana, Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Riot. Let's go. If you guys want a portfolio review, I offer that service on my Patreon. ILV, what up, King Henry? Rio for Jill. I offer that service as well as exit points to consider for your specific portfolio. Retracement, 73 cents. Parabolic level for Telos is $3.53. ACS, Bitrock, Atom. Don't you think the institutional money is already in play low key? 100%, but that's the narrative that they're going to be pushing, in my opinion. Like, that's what all of FTX and all that stuff was. It was so that they could position themselves. Oh, this ain't... So this thing came to the 0.5 and got even lower now. Alice. Max retracement is 2 cents. Parabolic level 4.9 cents. Filecoin. I got you, bro. Yeah, no. VNizzle 100%. Like, the money is already there. A lot of it. Some more will be entering, though, officially with people's like 401ks and stuff like that. But the big players, such as BlackRock, they've already positioned themselves. Now it's about getting liquidity from other people and their 401ks, their retirements, all of that stuff. That will be the narrative. But yeah, like as far as like them positioning themselves, a lot of it has already been positioned for sure. Bitrock. Can I do Bitrock? Atom SGB. Yeah, this is a pretty critical level here to hold for Atom. If it doesn't, it's going to get test down into the $6.40. Upside targets, you'd be looking to break past this level here at $10. AR. Got you, bro. Retracement. $24 for Atom. Parabolic level is $106 hairs. Will it be DeFi storage, etc.? ICP and your opinion on ICP. ICP, in my opinion, is the biggest wild card, the biggest boom or bust potential for the blue chip cryptos. And when I say blue chip, I mean like big market cap, top 100 coins. So my opinion on ICP is it has the biggest upside potential out of all the blue chips as far as ROI goes, but it also has the biggest, like, it doesn't do anything potential as well. GNS for Jega Bull. I got you, bro. All right, moving on. Let's look at SGB, Casper, PRK. Question mark. What is your question? We got some flare action. Is AMP going anywhere or should be stay away from the bull run? What's going on with BitBoy? You tell me. What have you heard? Uh-oh. Your thoughts on option trading? My thoughts are there are definitely good strategies. Realistically, any strategy can work. TJ took over his company. Huh. No, that's the first I've heard of it. That's interesting. Anybody know why? I don't really pay too much attention to other creators, to be honest. Especially BitBoy. Once all-time high breaks, sell 75% or wait till 100K approaches. I think every coin is going to be different. That's why I think it's important to have your price targets and like where a retracement is, where a parabolic is, have a plan in place. Every coin, like there's 22,000 different coins. Most of them are going to be doing what Bitcoin does. But King Henry, options trading can work. Options trading can work, but the best thing is to just pick a strategy and just get laser focused on that strategy. A lot of people get, the woman in the red dress syndrome, or they get distracted, or the shiny object syndrome. And it's like they'll work on this strategy for a little while, and then they move to this thing, and then they'll work on maybe crypto for a little while, and now they're doing this, and now they're doing this. And it's like you get those dopamine hits of trying something new, and then people just keep doing that on and on and on until like they're really not accomplishing anything. So any strategy, in short, will work, but the key is to like really stick with that and really like go through the boring part on when you're not necessarily making as much money, or it's not necessarily as sexy. Jill says they're putting out statements tomorrow as far as the BitBoy goes. Do you have Kingfisher? No. Is AMP a solid project in your opinion? It's like, I don't really have too many opinions on it. Damn. Apparently BitBoy got arrested. It's on Twitter. Have you heard about Caspa and games for living? I have not. Thoughts on Moonbeam? I can look at the chart. I don't really have any thoughts on it. I can look at the chart for AMP as well. He got arrested. What did he get arrested for? See, now I wasn't involved. I wasn't invested, but you guys just reeled me in, pulled me in. You don't think if the stock market dumps again, crypto will dump with it? Very possible. Can you look at Elephant Money? What is the ticker for that? As of now, Bitcoin has traded with the Dow Jones for its whole history. It sort of decoupled in November. And is it going to stay decoupled? That's the question to be answered. I have theories on this. Here's a sneak peek of what I went over on my Patreon. I'll give you guys a little tidbit on this, but let's go on the weekly so this is easier to see. This is basically what I think is going to happen with the Dow Jones. All right, so I went over on my channel the Shemitah, the 7th year. The 7th year. Every 7 years, some major stuff happens in the stock market, in the banking sector. 2022 was a Shemitah. We had the FTX collapse, the Luna collapse. We had the war in Ukraine. 2015, the Chinese stock market crash. That was a Shemitah, the 7th year. 2008, the great financial crisis happened. That was a Shemitah. 2001, the dot-com bubble busted. 9/11 happened. That was a Shemitah. 1994, the stock market crashed 50%. That was a Shemitah. 1986 was Black Monday. That was a Shemitah. Every single 7 years, some major events happen. And the next one that happens, I have right here in a dark white line. Very easy to see, very clear to see. In 2029. Okay? And I have pulled this fractal from the roaring 20s of the Dow Jones. The roaring 20s of the Dow Jones. And it aligns almost perfectly with the next Shemitah. So by my thesis, by my estimation, it's a very popular narrative to think that the Dow Jones or the stock market is going to roll over. But this thing lines up very much so. Even the C19 spring, this little choppiness right here, very, very close. But in reality, where we're at right now is a higher high and a higher low. This is still an uptrend. Now, the line in the sand is what I called my Patreon video. Is if we get below this low right here, then this would be a reversal and all bets would be off. But I think it's popular to say that we're going to go into a Great Depression, when in reality, I think we're going to be rocking and rolling for a little bit more. Once we get out of this little recession, this is exactly what I think the big picture is. Thoughts on Rose? Any good strategy you recommend for option trading? For a good video recommendation? It's not really what I do. I know there's a good strategy that I have buddies that do. For me, I kind of more like leaps trading, but it's more expensive. Hey, Ski, thanks for your love for the community. I appreciate that. Rose. Yeah, it's a very popular thing to think that we're going to start the Great Depression. And it's possible. But this looks very similar. This is the 1920s, Roaring 20s fractal right here. This is this blue line. This is from 1920s. The big, huge run up when the librarian was giving stock tips. So this is what I think is going to happen. The next Shemitah is in 1929. We shall see, though. And now, I would change my thesis if this gets taken out. If this level right here at, call it, 31.5, or even like if, especially if 28.7 gets taken out, like I would change my tune. But this is still an uptrend. Yeah, I think the Great Crash, the Great Depression 2.0 is going to be in 1929 is when it's going to start. Not 1929. 2029. Jesus. Stay skeezy, bro. Yeah, that's when I think it's going to start. And the narratives, the so-called narratives that could push it, would be a combination of AI, like real deal, taking people's jobs. Not just like, oh, it's fun to say this technology is cool, but like, no, actually, like, go home. We don't have any work for you. And a combination of that, as well as real deal, the US dollar collapsing in a way where it's not only like sexy to say, but actually like your grandma goes to the store and she notices that, she has $20,000 in her account and it's, she can't buy X, Y, and Z. I think it's going to be a mix between those two things is what's going to be the sort of narrative to say that that's going to happen. What's the best way to connect with you? Questions about your Patreon? You can message me on Instagram. You can message me on, you can join the Discord. The Discord is free. I have a private Discord that you get access to on my Patreon as well, but I have a public Discord that's free. You can message me on there. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, any of those. Yo, boy, Ski, what up, bro? Crypto Ass, thank you for the donuts, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
So this is my macro view on what's going to happen. And the question is, what is going to happen with Bitcoin? And my other theory, I would call it more of a hypothesis, okay? My hypothesis on Bitcoin is, let's pull up... Yeah, let's pull up the S&P 500 here. And let's pull up Bitcoin. What the hell? Oh, that's hilarious. We need to line these up to where they're the same. So this is March of 20. March of 20. Here we go. Let's do it like here. And then we need to have this is on the weekly, and this is on the daily. All right, I'm just trying to line these up to where they're the same. All right, so Bitcoin and the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, they relatively traded the same. Even the big, like, this is in October. outside of a few moments, they were relatively the same until November. And November, thank you for the quarterback, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
In November, Bitcoin sort of decoupled from... thank you for the hearts, you savage. Bitcoin sort of decoupled from the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. Now, the question remains, is it going to recouple? Are we going to get back on track and align back up with the Dow Jones? Taylor, you savage, thank you for the roses.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
And if it does, then I would imagine that Bitcoin is going to have a similar, like, prolonged bear market. But my theory too is that this thing has decoupled because it is coupled with whatever the economy of the BRICS nation. Like, I don't even know what coin or stock or whatever, like the Chinese stock market. I'm not exactly sure what even ticker to look at. But my hypothesis is that Bitcoin might actually be trading with that now. Time will tell. Time will give us our answer on that one. All right, let's get back into it, guys. That is my hypothesis, is that Bitcoin is decoupled back in November. That is a fact, that it decoupled from the stock market, from the Dow Jones. But the question remains, is it going to recouple? And if so, will it stay coupled? And if not, is it going to couple with something else? Could it be the start over of grand magnitude or a changing world order? Time will tell. All right, Casper. Time will tell. INV and Alice, thanks. I think I got Alice on the list. I don't think I got INV yet. No, I don't. All right, let's continue. So we got Casper here. I'm pretty much hanging out at the automatic rally here. Retracement for Casper is 13 cents. Parabolic level is 60 cents. Damn, that's wild that big boy got arrested. He sold the channel too. You said earlier that Solana parabolic move is 800. We are at $20 now. That's a 40x. It's a no-brainer. That's the max parabolic. It doesn't necessarily mean that's where it's going to go, because it can also go to the retracement. But I think that, I mean, Solana has a huge community. I imagine that they'll probably go parabolic. I don't personally like the project myself, but just because I don't like a project, or just because, let's say, how do I say this? Quality of a project and the fundamentals of a project doesn't necessarily always equal price. Just look at Pepe. Like, there's nothing fundamental about that, but price is crazy. And XRP didn't make a new all-time high last bull run. Fundamentals are crazy. So I imagine it'll probably go parabolic. At least 700. But just because I say what the parabolic is doesn't mean that that's where it's going to go, which is why I always also say the retracement. Because if it doesn't go parabolic, it will go to the retracement. All right, PRQ from my man Friday. The OGs. Yeah, I wouldn't touch Solana. Gala, please. Gala's on the list. I mean, anything could make it happen. Automatic rally is 30 cents. Retracement is $1.27. Parabolic level is $6.29. There's a lot of projects that didn't make a new all-time high that are good. There's a lot of projects that are nonsense that went parabolic. There are projects that are fundamental that went parabolic. The point of what I'm saying is the fundamentals and the validity on that doesn't necessarily equal price. He says, I will touch it. See you at the top. That's cool, man. You like Solana? It'll probably go parabolic. I personally don't like coins that their main net goes down seemingly once a month. Not my cup of tea. But I don't hold that many coins either. I only hold like 10 coins. 12 maybe. Could you take a quick look at gas? Neo's gas. I got you. All right. Pepe. Speaking of coins that have no fundamentals, that went absolutely parabolic. Pepe. Cheers. Any new price prediction for Gala? Not really. Like $1 to $3 is the max. AMP is on the list. AMP is after Pepe, which is next. Our retracement for Pepe is, oh boy, 0.12345024. Parabolic level is 40127. All right, AMP. Have you done ILV? ILV is after Gala. You got like 3 ahead of you, brother. Automatic rally for AMP is 0049. Retracement is 2.2 cents. Parabolic level for AMP is 9.4 cents. All right, VRA. What's the next best competitor for ETH? Look at TVL, cost per transaction, partnerships. I mean, HBAR, Neo, XRP. A lot of other coins that are fast that don't, their blockchain doesn't go down once a month, or their main net. TVL. Are you telling me to look at a coin? So how is parabolic under its all-time high? Let's see. I could have a bad chart. Yeah, I pulled from here. I mean, let's see. $0.23, I think would be the maximum. Based on the fibs. Yeah, I think 23 cents. All right. Daily user volume. Yeah, but that can be fudged. You should look into it just objectively. Like why do the haters hate it? And try to disprove that. Or try to like understand. Cuz it's easy to like just move stuff back and forth and be like I could have two Solana wallets and just send it to me, send it back to me, send it to me, send it back to me. Like that's easily manipulated. And there's other coins that do that too. Like I'm pretty sure Binance does that as well. Also, Solana was very highly tied up with FTX. I'm not telling you that you shouldn't like Solana. If you like Solana, like more power to you. I'm telling you why I don't like it. I'm not the wheeler of the magical wand. I'm not the end all be all. I know all, see all, and tell all for the right. That's not me. But that's what I feel about Solana. It's a no-go for me. It's very tied up with FTX. Still. All right, VRA already went parabolic. Came all the way back down. A retracement would be 0.007 cents. Parabolic level for VRA is 2.8 cents. ICP was heavily suppressed by FTX. There's a lot of projects that we don't think are tied with FTX that are. Like 1inch is another project. Did you do jam yet, Skeezer? Not yet. I got you though. What up out of the night? All right, we got H-bar. Yeah, I think H-bar is just, I'm going to measure H-bar strictly on market cap. What up, Ski? I've made videos breaking this part down, but the supply has sort of been manipulated by H-bar. Like H-bar was my top 5. This should show you, like, I will pivot if I get new data. Now I still love H-bar. It's still probably top 10, but it's no longer top 5 because the supply is not what it's supposed to be. So I would be measuring based off of market cap and taking action based on where the market cap is on HBAR. That's how I will be doing it. Retracement is 4 billion and parabolic level is 23 billion. Any recommendations on where to buy gold? I think the best place to buy gold is a coin shop. Most coin shops are reputable and they have to register with a certain database. They have to sell you what is true. And if they don't, they have to buy it back from you. It's a good idea to build a good relationship with the coin shop owner, but most of them have gold and silver. Can you Hex? I think people are forgetting if Hex goes down via SEC hands, it's not good crypto as a whole. Yeah, I got you, bro. Now, I just said in my Patreon my thoughts on Hex. But I mean, we're at the initial price. Like, that's crazy. So I think it's a relatively low risk and high reward play if you have your stop losses tight. Of like, if you make a low beyond the initial price, the ICO price, that wouldn't be good. I would keep it tight around there. Gala, $1. ILV. I could care less about the narratives, Benjamin. I just care about the actual technology and the validity of the technology. And what I know for a fact is the main net on Solana has went down multiple times. Not the test net, the main net. And so this is just my own thesis. Like I said, I'm not the end all be all wheeler of the crypto. Everything runs through me. That's not what it is. But this is my own thesis, is the main net has went down multiple times. Automatic rally is 156 for ILV. Retracement 775. Parabolic is 3,860. All love. No, that's right. And that's good. Like, I don't want to be in an echo chamber either, you know? So, like, it's good to have differing opinions. You know, like, if we're just all saying the same stuff, that's not necessarily a good thing either. And again, like, my whole point of my channel is to rely on your own intuition. Jasmine prediction, please. I got you. But those are my thoughts. Rio. I think that they're excellent marketers. They have a crazy strong community. The technology, though, I don't think is as good as it seems. Like, think about it like this. Like, let's say you have a quarterback in the NFL. And he can throw it a mile, man. But half the time when he throws it, it's an interception. Like, who cares? Can you yearn finance? I got you, bro. Saw you deadlifting. We'll challenge you on being the strongest dude in crypto. Hey, I always tell people, you pick the lift. Bench, squat, deadlift. I'm not sure anybody matches my total. I bet there's people that can deadlift more than me. I bet there's people that can squat more than me in crypto. I don't think there's anybody that can bench more than me in crypto. But I don't think there's anybody that has the 3 total that I got either. All right, Rio. Retracement, $1.37. $605 deadlift. That's pretty damn good. Parabolic level for Rio is $7. That's more than I can do. The most I've ever done is $495. The most I've ever benched is $365. The most I've ever squatted is $405 for 3. Alice. So what does that make my total? What's my all-time total? $405. All-time total is $1265. Weighing in at about 1. Wow, Nero. Wow. Mainly hacks press. I did all this around 170. The last time I competed in powerlifting, though, I was 148 and I was benching 315. Wow. But I'm fatter than I used to be. I'm like 170 right now. All right. Oh, Alice. I didn't even do it. Oh, shit. Distracted. Did you do gas? Just popped. No, I didn't. Good lifting numbers. It's all right. I have not done gas yet. Your age, I was 190. Yeah. All right, automatic rally for Alice is $3.19. Retracement, $12. Parabolic level is $64. Filecoin. Everybody loves Filecoin. An alternative for Filecoin is Chia. All right, automatic rally. 10. So I don't know what's up with the supply on Filecoin. That's the thing. Like, you really need to measure Filecoin in the market cap. Like, let me see if I can even find it. Oh, is this it right here? No way. Yeah, here we go. See, like, look at this. Like, look at this. This isn't... Yeah, look at the difference in price here. Like, you really need to measure Filecoin based on market cap. Just like H-bar. Yeah, like, we already went to the 236. Look at that. That's insane. So, What is this? So in February, oh yeah, like right here. This moment went all the way to the 236 almost in market cap. Like you can see it, you can see my line. It's the same line. Let's line it up. That's insane. But like, look how far away from the 236 it is here. That's crazy. What about chain link? No max supply. That's right. So like, I personally would make my decisions based off of the market cap as far as what the price is doing. That's just me. All right. All right. The retracement for the market cap is 7 billion. And parabolic level 46 billion. Now, let's just say that the supply isn't, it gets regular. I don't even know how to quantify this, but to the 0.5, you're looking at a 4x, and to the parabolic level, you're looking at a 31x. So what would that be on price? Let's just call it a 25x, or we'll call it a 20x. So 20x would get you to $65. And then a 30x would get you to like $100, which I've said many times, I thought $100. But I would really just pay attention to the market cap if you hold Filecoin. I would pay attention to the market cap, and when you start getting 7 billion, you know, that's a big level. 9 billion is a big level. Alex, thank you for the follow, you savage. Cali XO, thank you for the earths. I appreciate you.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh yeah.
I think I already did add them. So I would be looking at, you know, 32 billion, 45 billion. You really need to pay attention to the market cap on this thing, not necessarily the actual price. VET, I got you, Alex. VET. I'm pretty sure I did add them already. Let me check real quick. Yeah, it's right here. So the parabolic for Atom was $100. $105 to be specific. All right, AR GNS Moonbeam. Automatic rally for AR is $14. Retracement is $45. Parabolic level $218. GNS. Like, let's look at this one too. Let's see. Oh, this ain't. Yeah, I can't do GNS. There's not enough data on this thing. Maybe. Retracement is $7. Parabolic level $15. 22 maybe. Engine, I got you, bro. ENJ. All right, Moonbeam, Amp, Rose, INV. Quant, I already did Quant. 1400 is where I think Quant, my parabolic price for Quant. There's a big move that's going to happen pretty soon for Quant. I don't know if it's to the upside or to the downside. But my downside target would be about $77, and my upside target in the medium term is about $180 for Quant. Quant is top 3 for me though. I buy Quant every single week. All right, automatic rally for GLMR is, this is in market cap, 1.16 billion. Hey bro, how Crow looks right now? We'll take a look. Chain link. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't put that down earlier. Link, I got you. MITX. All right, retracement is 7.9. Parabolic is 41 for Moonbeam. Amp, Rose. Oh, we already did Amp. Huh. Oopsies. Rose, INV, Gas, Jam, Hex. And then it's Jasmine, Wow, VET, Engine, Link, Crow, MITX. VET is on the list already. VET is after Jasmine and Wow, and then VET. I'm going in order, Alex. All right, automatic rally for Rose. We already hit it, and we hit it multiple times. Actually, it's been a point of rejection 3 or 4 times here. 8 cents. Retracement, 31 cents. Parabolic level, $1.49. That's all good, bro. INV. Inverse Finance. I've never heard of this one. What about Steve Harvey, Big Red Candlestick? What happened to Steve Harvey? It was like someone posted on his Twitter, right? Automatic rally is $70. Retracement, $288. Parabolic level is $13.80. Or is that like, is there a Steve Harvey coin? It's hard to tell. There's like 20,000 different coins. 23,000. All right, Gas, Jam, Hex. Wife cheated and wants 1/2 of 400 million net worth. Damn, that's tough. Should have signed a prenup, I guess. That's tough. Well, I don't know. I feel like if she's like your high school sweetheart, you know what I mean? She found you a diamond in the rough and you built that. Like, yeah, no. Like, you got to give her half. But if she found you at the finish line, you were already rich, no. But if she found you like when you're in college, when you were struggling and she was down, like that's a real one, you know? And she deserves half. Finish line, yeah. If it's finish line, nah. That's tough. Especially if she cheated, that's... Alright, retracement is $11. For Gas, parabolic level, $53. I'm not mad at anybody who's a finish line catcher, you know? Like, that's biological. It's like a hunter-gatherer type thing. Like, you want a guy who's going to provide resources. But people got, I don't know, they got it twisted. Like, they get mad when, like, when it is what it is. Red candle, no prenup. That's tough. Different strokes for different folks. All right, 007 for Jam is the retracement. Parabolic level for Jam is 3 cents. Hey. Hex. Yeah, Hex is, I think, an interesting play right now, since we've had a huge breakdown and we're at the level, you know, we're at the level, the same level of way back here when it was first introduced. So I think it's got a decent bit of support in here. Actually, let's do like a box. You know, we got a decent bit of support in here. So I think Hex is an interesting play. I think it's a buckle up and, you know, really dig in type play, because it could take a long time. But where we're at, like, I think the risk would be like, you know, you would want to put your stop losses below here or sell if it gets below there. But where we're at right now, you know, retracement on the medium term would be 007. Parabolic on the medium term would be 2 cents. And big picture parabolic, retracement of 27 cents. And as high as $1.48. On the fibs, you go off of the top of the candle instead of the spike or a certain date. Yeah, mostly I pay attention to bodies. Like, if there's a huge, like, let me try to think of an example. Like here we go. Like, I'll go, and this isn't really a good pulled one, but like, okay, so here's the meat of the top. You know, sometimes I don't pay too much attention to wicks, because wicks a lot of times are like crossovers or fake outs. Wicks will get you in trouble. If people, like, they'll be watching a price and it'll poke through or poke down and they think that it's done, but a lot of times it's just like where people's liquidity gets stolen. So I really pay attention mainly to, like, how I would actually measure a move of, like, okay, this is for real, I guess, would be like a weekly close. Like, this is the body of a weekly close. This is a real move. We're at 26,000. Like, this is real. But if we just, like, flash down in there, even right here, like, here's a really good example. This wasn't the real move, but a lot of people thought that it was. Like, this was, what was this narrative? I think Coinbase was suing everybody, and it poked below, and everyone said, like, it's going back to, you know, 15K, we're going to make new lows. Like, I remember when this happened. But if you look at the body is way up here at 21,000 and the wick came down here. So I mainly pay attention to the bodies of the move is going to be, you know, your most reliable. And you're going to leave a little bit off the top. You're going to leave a little bit at the bottom. But you're better off being, like, in the flavor of the move rather than, like, trying to catch the tippy top or the very bottom. Maybe one person will catch the absolute top and one person will, you know, get the bottom. I hope it's you. but I don't play my game based off of like hope or what is possible, but rather like what is likely. I think weekly time frame is a really good way to measure where it's actually at. It's better to be conservative on your price. Like me, my price predictions are not like what is possible theoretically. It's what's most likely going to happen. And you can make a lot of money being in the right flavor of what's most likely. All right, let's continue. We got Jasmine. But that's just the way that I do it. I don't want to be like trying to like, okay, here's a good example. Jasmine. So we're on the weekly time frame, so it's even more like, you know, profound, I guess. But like, here's this huge wick up here on Jasmine, but I have it at the top of the candle right here. Automatic rally is 2 cents for Jasmine. Retracement, 10 cents. Parabolic, 52 cents, 53 cents. Now, like, it can be higher too. Like, if, like, let's say, like, that puts you in a higher range. Like, if I were to measure it off of this tippy top here, like, it changes 93 cents. That's why it's like, it's really different. Like, this is possible. 93 cents isn't out of the question for Jasmine. But again, like, my thing isn't like what's possible, it's like what's likely. What's likely? You can make a lot of money off of being what's likely. All right, wow. Damn. Yeah, I don't think I can do wow. Wow, Nero. Try it again. Yeah, I don't think I can do this one, bro. Yeah, there's not enough data for the wow, Nero. Sorry, brethren. All right, VET, Engine, Crow, Link, MITX. All right, I don't like this song. Let's get some Neo, actually. XMR then, I got you. I actually have XMR on mine. All right, XMR retracement, $291. Parabolic level for XMR is 1,400 doll hairs. What the fuck? Did you do Yearn Finance? Not yet. It's on the list though. Did I skip it? I will do Yearn Finance now. Because I know he said it. Or maybe you said it, I don't remember. Retracement for year-end finances, 42,000. Max retracement, 59,000. Parabolic level is 207,000. Crow, Link. Retracement for Crow is 60 cents. Parabolic level, $3 hairs and 33 cents. ASTR, please. I got you, bro. You passed VET, did I? My bad. My BZ, bro. Don't worry. I'm chill. I got you. I think it's 97 cents if I remember right. Retracement, 17 cents for VET. Parabolic levels, yep, 97 cents. Link. Retracement for Link is $33. Parabolic level for Link is $129. MITX. Retracement is 11 cents. Parabolic level, 47 cents. And ASTR. Retracement is 15 cents. Parabolic level is 61 cents. COS. I don't know if I can do this one, brother. Oh, we got it. Our retracement is 2.3 cents. Parabolic level, 14 cents. All right, guys, I have a full course. You can learn how to trade. You can learn how to measure the market for the price of a cup of coffee per week. Damn, ain't that a... For the price of a cup of coffee per week, not week, excuse me, per month. You can learn how to do all this stuff, get access to my portfolio. You can do all that and more. I have a full course on there. If you guys want to learn how to do that, you can do that. Join the link below. Did I skip Engine? My bad, bro. I got you, bro. Last one. At the buzzer. Engine. That's how I know I'm getting tired. Retracement for Engine is $3. Parabolic level for Engine, $12.29. All right. You guys want to learn how to trade? You can do so. Link in the description for Patreon. Follow me on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, at your boy Ski. I have one social media. I will never, ever, 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 ever message you and ask you, how's your trading going? Join my WhatsApp. I don't have one. You can join the Discord below. You'll get access to my private Discord if you join the Patreon. All right, guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless.